Hey guys, you know how important a good septic system is for a house, right? It's like the unsung hero of our plumbing. Today, we're talking about ready-made septic tanks, which are becoming super popular. These tanks are changing the game. They offer a modern and efficient way to handle wastewater, and more homeowners are choosing them. Let's dive in and see why. Remember the old days when installing a septic tank was a massive headache? Well, those days are gone. Ready-made septic tanks are here to make life easier, and I'm stoked to tell you all about them. So buckle up and let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about why these ready-made septic tanks are so great. The biggest advantage is how easy they are to install. Unlike traditional tanks that take ages to build on site, these bad boys come ready to go. This means less digging, less mess, and way less time spent on installation. And guess what? Because they're quicker to install, they're also lighter on the wallet. Time is money, right? Plus, these tanks are built to last, so you're making a smart investment in the long run. It's a win-win situation. Now, here's something that matters a lot to me: being environmentally conscious. Ready-made septic tanks are designed with the environment in mind. They minimize the risk of leaks and contamination, ensuring that wastewater is treated properly before it goes back into the ground. Alright, so you're convinced that ready-made septic tanks are the way to go. But how do you choose the right one for your home? Well, it's all about finding the perfect fit for your needs. The first thing to consider is the size of your household. A larger family obviously generates more wastewater, so you'll need a bigger tank. It's all about capacity, my friends. Next up, you need to decide on the material. You've got two main options: plastic or concrete. Plastic tanks are lightweight, resistant to corrosion, and super easy to install. Concrete tanks, on the other hand, are known for their durability and strength. Think about your budget and the specific requirements of your property. Do your research, talk to the experts, and choose the tank that checks all the right boxes for you. Section 4. Installation, a step-by-step guide. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of installation. While ready-made septic tanks are designed for easy setup, you still need to do it right. A proper installation ensures that your system runs smoothly for years to come. Before you even think about digging, it's crucial to have a professional inspect your site. They'll check the soil composition, the water table depth, and make sure you're following all the local regulations. Safety first, always. Once that's sorted, it's time to excavate the area where the tank will be placed. Make sure the base is level and compact. Next, carefully lower the tank into the ground, connect the inlet and outlet pipes, and backfill the excavation with the right materials. Remember guys, if you're not 100% confident about doing this yourself, don't hesitate to call in the pros. It's better to be safe than sorry, right? Section 5. Finding your septic tank online. Here's the cool part. You can buy ready-made septic tanks online. Yup, you heard that right. No need to spend your precious time driving around to different stores. Just hop online, browse through a wide selection, and find the perfect tank for your needs. There are tons of reputable online retailers that sell septic tanks, like Home Depot, Lowe's, and even Amazon. They offer competitive prices, detailed product descriptions, and often have helpful customer reviews. It's like online shopping for your home improvement needs. When buying online, always make sure you're dealing with a trusted seller. Check their ratings, read the reviews, and don't hesitate to reach out to their customer service if you have any questions. Section 6. Ready-made septic tanks. A smart choice. So there you have it, folks. Ready-made septic tanks are a game changer for homeowners. They're easy to install, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly. What more could you ask for? If you're building a new home or upgrading your existing septic system, definitely consider going the ready-made route. Trust me, you won't regret it. Remember, a well-functioning septic system is essential for a healthy and happy home. So go ahead, make the smart choice, and enjoy the benefits of modern wastewater management.